Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laurina, and in today's video I'll be speaking about my super simple, super cheap, and most importantly super effective skincare routine. First things first, I like to go in by taking off my earrings, any jewelry I have, my lashes, and putting on my bonnet. I obviously only put on my bonnet when I'm washing my hair by my sink. Otherwise, I usually washing my face, girl. Otherwise, I usually wash my face in the shower as I am taking a shower. So the first product that I am using is a Simple Skincare Hydrating Cleansing Oil. It's about 85 bucks from Discam. And this stuff knows how to do what it needs to do with minimal amount of product. And let me tell you, girl, it's a tick from me, okay? It does have a slight fragrance. I think it smells like olive oil or like canola oil or sunflower oil. One of those cooking oils, honey, but trust me, it knows how to do what it needs to do. It helps break down your makeup with minimal effort. As you can see, you just rub it on your face and then the makeup starts to dissolve off. I also put it on one of my eyes just to test out whether you do actually need an eye makeup remover or not. But I'll speak about that just now. Hold up. Next thing that I like to go in with is the controversial cleansing facial wipes. And the reason why I like to go in with these cleansing wipes or facial wipes is because I do not like to use a a washcloth on my face, because I feel like it's just too messy. Like I can't be bothered with doing that. I do not recommend, however, using wipes on your face just as is, because they do cause a bit of damage and a bit of abrasion. Is that the correct word? I think I'm using fancy word and I think I'm using them right. It causes a bit of abrasion on your skin, so I wouldn't recommend that you use facial wipes on their own, but I do like to go in with them after I've used a cleansing balm, because then you're not really putting that much friction on your face. I use about two or three. Three is a bit excessive, so I think two is enough. And I move on to the next step. In this video, I wanted to show you the difference between using the facial cleansing oil and the eye makeup remover. So for the right side of my right eye, I used the facial cleansing oil, and then for the left side I used the eye makeup remover. And the reason why I'm doing this is just in case the hydrating cleansing oil is too harsh on your eye, you might want to try the eye makeup remover. I find this to be really gentle. As a person with sensitive eyes and having tested both of these products on my eyes, I do have to say none of them leave me irritated, and they both do a really fantastic job. I will show you a video or a clip just now of what the difference is between the two. I like to go in, whether I've used the hydrating cleansing oil or the eye makeup remover, with a facial cleansing wipe, just to make sure that I'm getting all the gunk off. I don't rub on my eye. I literally just squeeze my eyelashes and make sure that everything is off. So this is what it looks like with the eye makeup remover, and this is what it looks like with the hydrating cleansing oil. You be the judge, girl. It's up to you. Okay. Next things next, your babes. Now, I know this skincare routine I said was going to be cheap. This is probably the most expensive thing in my skincare routine, which is the Machite Dead Sea Minerals Delicate Cleansing Gel. And the reason why this one is expensive is because I received this in a PR package and I absolutely love it. Leaves your skin feeling super cleansed without feeling stripped, leaves it feeling soft. And then I like to air dry my face. I don't like to pat my face with anything or rub it with anything. So I just like to air dry my face, and then I go in with the Simple Skincare Hydrating Light Moisturizer. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I genuinely just do love this brand. And when I started using it, I wanted to use everything to make sure that, you know, I'm getting the full experience. And I do have to say I've loved every single one of these products. This moisturizer is amazing. A little goes a long way. I've literally had this bottle for like 2 months now, going on 3. And then I like to go in with the Nivea Sun UV Face Shine Control Sunscreen, honey. Now, yes, I know, even if you are black, girl, you need it. Now, this was at night, so I didn't use that much sunscreen on my face. Yes, you do need to use sunscreen on your face if you are the sort of person like me who's a night owl who stays up on their computer and gets UV. It's either UVA or UVB from your computer, girl. But either way, it damages your skin, so put on your sunscreen. During the day, though, I would recommend that you use about a teaspoon or just a little bit more than a teaspoon in order to make sure that the sunscreen is working. That's the end product, girl. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe. I wanted to make sure that this video was super short, and any requests you have on me expanding on any of the products, please just let me know. But otherwise, I feel like I've covered everything, especially with the writing on the wall. See what I did there? I'm sorry. But yeah, I have text in the video, and yeah, bye.